Right click on Start and then select Settings. In the Settings, select System and then select Display and then scroll down and under the related settings, find Graphics, select it to open it. Scroll a bit further down. Here you could see different apps. Find the app that you want to force to use dedicated graphics card. Select it and then click on GPU preference, drop down and change it from let Windows decide to high performance Nvidia GeForce. By default, Windows only has got a few apps in this list. However, you could easily add any app. It could be either a desktop app or a Microsoft Store app. Simply click on add Microsoft Store app and from the list you could choose an app, for example the game Age of Mythology, and then you could select that app and then change its GPU preference to your dedicated graphics card. And to add a desktop app, click on add desktop app, go to your C drive. Usually desktop apps are stored in program files or program files x86. In this example, I show you an app installed in program files. Find the app that you want to add, such as OBS-Studio, open it, and then you might have to open another folder such as bin, and then another folder called 64-bit. And here you could see the application file with the same icon as the app that you open. Select it and then click on add. Now you can see it appears in the list, and once again select it, and now you could easily change its GPU preference to high performance dedicated graphics card. If you want to force your Windows to use dedicated graphics card for everything, then watch my other video how to force Windows to use your dedicated GPU. And if you still have any questions, let me know in the comments below.